Welcome to My Trialist Trial Talk, Voices of Experience.
Hi, my name is Catherine Martin. I am a 50-year-old single parent. I learned that I was stage 4 colorectal cancer with tumors in my liver and the largest tumor sitting in my rectum. I've tried to be as honest with my children as possible, mostly because I think if I'm not, they start to create stories in their own head, and usually those are far worse. But when I sat my children down and told them that I had this potential to be in a clinical trial, I did approach it as something I was very fortunate to be a part of, something that I was, really lucky to have an opportunity to join in on, and also something that had been personalized for me. So instead of sort of treating to the middle of a large group of patients, I felt like this was an opportunity for me to get personalized treatment where people were looking at me as an individual in this trial and how I was responding versus me as a cancer patient in a much larger pool.
My name is Sabrina Martinez. I am 37 years old. I was born and raised in Brooklyn, New York, and I am a radiology technologist. I was diagnosed with adenocarcinoma of the lungs. I'm a non-smoker, by the way. Um, and I was diagnosed with cancer stage 3 when I was pregnant. I was 6 months pregnant with my second child, and he pretty much saved my life. And here I am today. So, literally, when I found out that I was diagnosed with cancer, I was pregnant. So pretty much my baby boy, he is my lifesaver. I would have never found out that I had cancer because, of course, me being in the medical field, sometimes we tend to take long on getting health care for ourselves. I really never felt sick. I just had a really bad cough, maybe 3 times with from the time of, I say, 2020 to 2022 that I was diagnosed. So I tell my son now all the time, and I'm sure he mm, doesn't understand, but he will eventually understand how he is mommy's lifesaver. If it wasn't for my child, who knows? I most likely would have died of lung cancer. Um, he was a blessing to my life, and he gave mommy the strength to want to push through even more, and my daughter as well. I tell her all the time, like, I'm fighting this fight even stronger and harder for the both of you because I want to be here to, see my kids grow up. Like, the next big event is buying a home, which, like, we're in the process of doing that now. And I tell my daughter all the time, like, I can't wait till we get this home so that I could get you ready for your sweet 16 in 2 years. So it's definitely something to look forward to. Being on a clinical trial, it just makes me feel like I am fulfilling my purpose here in the world. I am here to help people. It makes me feel good to help others. It makes me feel like empowered, like I am doing something for my community, for sick people, for people that need a helping hand. I'm here doing that. So it's definitely empowering. It feels really good to be a part of a clinical trial.